أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
والذين آتيناهم الكتاب يفرحون بما أنزل إليك ومن الأحزاب من ينكر بعده قل إنما أمرت أن أعبد الله ولا أشرك به إليه أدعو وإليه مآب.
Those to whom we gave the scripture rejoice in what was revealed to you, while some factions reject parts of it. Say, I am commanded to worship Allah, and to never associate anything with Him. To Him I invite, and to Him is my return.
وكذلك أنزلناه حكما عربيا ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعدما جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا واق.
Thus we revealed it an Arabic code of law. Were you to follow their desires, after the knowledge that has come to you, you would have neither ally nor defender against Allah.